What's up, y'all? It's your girl Vivi, and welcome back to my channel. I just got out of work. I'm tired as hell. I'm having a bad hair day, but you know what? We're getting glammed up. For what? I don't know, but we're gonna do it. So as usual, we're starting with primer. We're doing the Mary Kay foundation primer with sunscreen. We're gonna do that with the whole face. So, have you guys noticed something different? I got better lighting. I got a background. So I just recently figured out how to do my eyebrows. We're gonna go do eyebrows. I will be right back. Done. Alright, so for foundation, same as usual, CC cream from Mary Kay. We're going to do. Damn it. So we got all that done. Concealer with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade of Fair Neutral. Beauty Blender. We're gonna set the under eyes with Kat Von D press powder. We're gonna set our faces with the Mary Kay translucent loose powder. This stuff is fine. Whew. I'm gonna take an e.l.f. 101 brush. Magic. Alright, so now we are going to do the eyes. You will learn. Now we're going to use a concealer brush to make sure that all of that is nice and blended. Alright, we're gonna start off with the James Charles palette and a MAC 239 SE brush. It's nice and clean. So I'm gonna start with the color Canvas. It's a nice nude color, and I'm gonna put that right up here. I'm gonna use an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Looks like this. We're gonna dig in to Brother. It's a beautiful, like, denim blue. Okay, we're gonna grab a blending brush and blend that out. Now we're gonna use the color Cola with a MAC with a MAC 217 SE color. This is a navy blue color, and we're going to use that for the crease. Now what I want to do is cut the crease. I'm going to use the Tarte concealer back with the MAC 212 SE and just put a tiny bit. This stuff goes a long way. And we're gonna pop that in here. Doesn't it suck when your eye contact decides to dry while you're trying to do makeup? Comment down below if you can relate, because that's the story of my life right now. Center with my finger. Now the center with my pinky finger. I'm going to use the color Hello, which is a beautiful bluey color, and we're going to pop that right in the middle. Now I also have over here my metallic eyeshadow, which was given to me by my dear baby cousin, and I'm gonna use the color Atlantis. Look at that. To cover on top. I'm also going to use the color Geode, which is like a little lime green color, just for some more sparkle. Can never have too much sparkle. Fallout. Swipe that away. Feels like it needs a little bit more darker. So let's get cola. There we go. Pop that in there. Now for my bottom, I'm going to use the same color cola with an e.l.f. smudge brush. Yep, smudge brush. Like that. Alright. Now that I got this eye nice and ready, I'll be right back with this one. And I'm back. Alright, so I got both my eyes done. Alright, now for some liner. So I'm going to use the Mary Kay liquid eyeliner pen in black. Challenge number 2. How to get this eye to match this eye. Alright. They're sisters, not twins, right? So let's curl these lashes. Today, for the first time ever, we're gonna try on some lashes. The Luxe Lash Kit from e.l.f. Wing It and Bowl. Now this little thing costs $4, which is not bad at all. I did have to buy the adhesive separately. I think this was like another $2 or $3. It's from Kiss, and it's strip lash adhesive with aloe. Fair warning, I've never done this before. Wait, this has adhesive? I know that you go like this, and you... How do I do this? Nope, it doesn't come with adhesive. So this sticky gunk has to come out. Let me get this gunk and I'll be right back. And we're back. So I'm gonna apply baby hairs gone wild. I think I did it right. I survived. This feels funny AF. Whoa. Okay. So let's curl it. Okay, I think we got it. Now I'm gonna put the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Oh, that feels so much better though. And I'm back. Alright, so not too bad. I don't think this is a sporty look though. I mean, to each their own. Now to finish this look, I'm gonna bronze with the Avon True Color bronzing powder in the color of light bronze. Now for blush, I'm gonna use my Christmas Pure The Grinch collaboration palette, and I will be using Heart of Who. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using the same Christmas palette, and I'm going to be using the color Feeling Frosty with my Jeffree Star, Morphe X Jeffree Star JS4 brush. I love this highlighter. we're gonna do the Avon Lip Liner T520. Right? And we're gonna go with my all-time favorite lip gloss, the Kylie lip gloss in the color Literally. Spray, I'm going to use the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you guys think and what other colors I should use for my next video. I hope you guys like it. And as usual, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.